Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to add 5 numbers in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, likes, dislikes, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. It is a rare occasion that I'm using code blocks in writing my C++ programs, but this time I will be using code blocks as my IDE or integrated development environment. As I said, don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Now here, what are the things that we will learn in this program is not only how to declare variables in C++. Second, we will be learn how to use for loop statement in our looping statement. Third, we will be learn how to declare arrays, to be specific one-dimensional array in our program. So we have 21 lines of code, so let us dig in. So line number 1, sharp include IOStream for input-output in every C++ program. Line number 3, we have 2 variables. It is a global variable declaration because we are outside of a main function. So here, integer, we have your item 5 elements. This is the declaration of one-dimensional array in C++. And then we have another variable total underscore sum, which I initialize the value to 0. Now, if you are new with programming, computer programming, you may ask the question, why we initialize 0 in our variable total underscore sum? The main reason that we initialize 0 in our variable total sum underscore sum, because if we run our program and then it is not initialized, our C++ compiler might generated a wrong result. So we are trying to avoid such scenario to happen in our program. Second, it is a good programming habit to initialize our variables before we can use it. So int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. Left curly bracket, and then std console out new line title, addition of 5 numbers in C++, new line. For int a less than 5 plus plus, so we have here the for loop statement. In this line of code, we are asking the user to enter a value in an item 1 plus 1, a plus 1. Initial value of a is 0 plus 1, it will be 1 2 3 4 5. In this line of code, we are using items which has a maximum value of 5 elements entering our loop. And then here, total underscore sum plus equals, we are accumulating the values that is being given by our user in our program. And then we close our for loop statement with the right curly bracket, and then we have here display the result. Total sum is total underscore sum, cd console out to new line \n, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended in a new line, and then we close it with the right curly bracket. Okay, so let us compile and run. Go to build and run, or F9. Okay, our program is running right now. Addition of 5 numbers in C++. Let's see, we have 2 4 6 8 10 in the 5th element. So the total sum is 30 and a program. Another example, item number 1, we have 1 2 3 4 5. So the total sum is 15 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of 5 numbers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions, suggestions, clarification, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel as always. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.